Good day, McVeigh, and happy Wednesday. Good morning, boys and girls. So I'm going to begin this morning with a wonderful drawing by Chris Cardenas. So I wanted you to take a look. This is freehand. So first, he created symmetry by dividing the image in half, and then he also made quadrants. But so the right and left side are remarkably similar. They're not perfectly symmetrical, but they're very close. And then he customized each quadrant to represent the four elements, which in ancient Greece, the people believed that all things were made of. So either water, fire, earth, or air. And so the face represents those different elements. And this was like this. He did it so fast, such talent. So on the fire side, you can see the fire. If you look at the earth, you can see land mass. If you look at water, you actually see the waves. So Chris, really love that, and thank you for sharing. Then we had a couple of students do a project during the break who celebrate Easter. So we had a wonderful Easter bunny by Zara and an Easter egg hunt book. And this is by Ariana, Ava, Hannah, Maya, and Madison. So this is a chapter book that they wrote about an Easter egg hunt. So for example, the class was so excited. Miss Shirless was going to be teaching math and then have an egg hunt. They had disguises on with the illustration. Let's see. And then there was eggs missing. And then they found them at the end. It's a very cool book with amazing illustrations. So girls, I really want to thank you for putting that together. Moving right along, check this out. This was made by Shiloh in third grade. This is a bridge made out of popsicle sticks. I mean, this is excellent. It's very sturdy, very sturdy. I could roll a car across it. But take a look at the work this took. So this is glue and just popsicle sticks. But the support beams look as they should to be able to be strong. That's why this is strong. All the triangles that you see, the triangle being the strongest shape, are what really make this bridge strong. Shiloh, excellent job. And then, this is a cat toy. I don't know who made this, but it's by somebody in room 224, the Johans, but it's a cat toy. So it was a bin. This is a cone made of tape, and inside some fuzzies, and the whole idea is the cat will be able to get to the fuzzies. And another quick STEM project. So we have a mobile. I don't want to unfold it completely because it might come apart, but it was, I don't know, this is Gianna who made this, and it's a parachute. So it starts out, take a look. Ooh, I didn't want to, it looks like, oh, there you go. And it's a tissue paper. Look at that. It's a parachute. Now, if this is also the kind of thing that you could use as a mobile for a little child or something, where it dangles and the baby is able to hit it and play with it. But this took a lot of work. Gianna, that's amazing. All right. Now, moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. Okay, so I think the second graders should be the first ones to get this word. That is one of my clues. So there's our most common consonant. All right, here's my second. This is the second most common vowel. Okay, all right. Mystery number. We know that there's only 2 digits left. And they're even and they're not homonyms. So the clue is you should know the answer based upon other clues and answers in the past. All right, and now it's time for Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is by Lenny. It says, McVeigh is the best and be kind. I agree, Lenny. McVeigh is the best because we have the best kids, the best teachers. And I want to wish our 4th and 5th graders all the best today. And of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.